Here's Mac's new train that we got. It's vintage Marx Train. Set it up today. We're into a toy train store to get these old vintage tracks. They to give us the wires and everything. And we just put it on this morning. Needed to oil the train since it's been so many years since it's ever worked. But it's a neat vintage box, as you can see.
Hey, Papa,
Comes with plastic
put
cars.
some more smoke stuff in it?
Oh, and it smokes. Yeah, you want to put some smoke stuff in it?
Yeah.
Some smoke juice?
Here's
Like the
can.
houses?
Here's the can.
And then,
Can is right here.
okay, should we show them that?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see. Look at that. Marx Locomotive Smoke. Alright, you hold this and I'll put it in for me. Can you turn it around? Alright, let's add a little smoke. Goes right in here. Okay, let's give it a go.
Yeah.
Even goes backwards. Reverses the electricity. Yeah. Crank it. Wow. Watch out, Lulu. Here comes the train. See the smoke? It's hard to tell on camera.
Yeah.
Oh, I can see it where the light shines. Oh, I see it. I'm sure they can see it now too. Wow, the train is smoking. Merry Christmas.